Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful prima donna DeLonghi espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the mecano valve, the one that you see right here. The coffee was going through the tray instead of going through the spouts. And as you can see, we have enough coffee. We do not have enough coffee. There's no coffee in there. Good. We're gonna redo that shot because it's probably not gonna be the way it's supposed to. You only grind a little bit of beans, you didn't grind the whole way through. And as you can see, we're getting coffee coming out through the spouts. Everything's gonna go in the tray. So for the next shot, I'm gonna remove the tray, clean this one, and just basically show you guys. Be right back. Okay, we're back, and we're gonna do one shot of espresso, one standard coffee. This time we have a lot of beans in there, and this time we're gonna do it without the tray, so you can see all liquid going straight to the cup instead of going to the tray. And yeah, this was the cause of it. Replace this mecano valve. Good water flow coming out of the spouts, and as you can see, nothing going in the tray. And there you have it, DeLonghi Prima Donna Deluxe working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.